Thank you, YouTube family. It has been such a pleasure to present these healthy meals to you. I get such a joy in sharing with you my laws of healthy cooking. Um, if there is anyone that have not subscribed to Ericka's Healthy Law of Cooking, please do and hit that notification button. That will let me know that you're tuning in, and it'll send us a notification to send you a notification. So I thank you so much for all your comments and suggestions. If there's anything that you want that I have not prepared yet or you're having trouble with, please send me a comment, make a suggestion, and we could do it together. A family that cooks together stays together. So I am so grateful to each and every one of you that like my page, that subscribe to my page, that is taking my meals and taking them into their own homes and making healthy meals for your family. It is my pleasure. So again, I thank you so much. And again, let's get healthy.